to our revered professors, esteemed alumni, as well as the lovely batchmates. We, the GM Alumni Committee of 2020, comprising of Avik, Jaydev, myself, Praneeth, Tushar, and Rashika, welcome all of you to Confluence 2020, our fourth GMP alumni meet. And interestingly, this is the very first one we are having as part of the virtual format this year. So even COVID hasn't dampened our spirits, and we are feeling very energetic to host this event. Uh, so we look forward to your active participation in this event. We have a lot lined up.
So like Praneeth said, we are very excited and delighted to host this flagship annual event, Confluence 2020, which is sponsored by SBI. This event provides us an opportunity to take a trip down the memory lane and serve as a reminiscence of the golden days. As elated and excited as we are, we also have lots in store for you all this evening, and it is our utmost pleasure to have you here. Welcome again.
And we truly believe that only well articulated words can explore and do justice to the immeasurable depths of nostalgia that our alum family shares. And we wish to reinforce this bond of students with their alma mater, the threads that are worn out by demanding repertoire of corporate life. So, this event, historically, though the students spend around 12 months
I switched
duration in the
on.
B school,
I am already there.
it becomes no less than a second home to the students. And the thoughts associated with the later years brings back overwhelming emotions and yearnings of belongingness as well.
This annual event is an excellent opportunity to bring our growing family together by holding each other's hands, taking a deep breath, looking back at our past, and venturing once again into the land of knowledge, dreams, and happiness.
True. And now, without further ado, we would like to call upon our director, Reverend Father Christie, to address our beloved alumni. Sir, could you kindly share a few words with us?
Good evening.
A very good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm delighted to join you this evening for this Confluence 2020. I'm happy that you're able to organize it. Being online, I hope many more people are able to join us today to connect with us. One of the strengths I have noticed at XLRI is the loyal, committed alumni. And we don't need any media to publicize, but you continue to be our brand ambassadors wherever you are. Whatever field you are, whatever industry you are there as a brand ambassador of XLRI. By your work ethics, by your life, by your commitment, you need to display in your own life, in your workplace, what XLRI has done to you. I would also like you to help us in that context to strengthen this GMP program, both in terms of admissions as well as in terms of placements. I am little concerned that we need to enhance the quality of the program. For increase of quality, also we need increase in the quality of the input, the type of people that we get. I think that matters a lot. So I'll be happy that if we could actively promote the admissions so that we get really qualified people. It's kind of a vicious circle. We have a good program, good placements, then admissions, and kind of everything if we take out one and everything is affecting it. It's not just disjoint, linear relationship, but much more a kind of a vicious circle. So we need to look into every aspect of it, and we need to look into more of as a multi-pronged strategy that whatever we want to do that. Secondly, also I think we need to strengthen our own placement. So far so good, and we need to sometimes struggle to place our GMP students. I'm happy that you're doing extremely well in your life today. But I think when you must have gone through the same experience of the placement process that we are going through every year at the institute. I think somehow I think this is a more of it's a joint effort. It's not just effort of one PlaceCom group or PlaceCom coordinator, but a group of students. But I think if we are interested in GMP program, I think all of us need to work together. It's not somebody alone that we need to work. I think I would like you to get involved much more actively, to enhance the program. I think if the program is enhanced, if we get a better ranking, it will have an effect on your life, on your work. It is kind of it's not just one way, but when you do well, XLRI does well. XLRI gets a name. If XLRI gets a name, alumni gets a name. So in a way that is a reciprocal. Now it's not just one way around. It all depends upon if we want to do kind of excel well in our own ranking, then you need to do well. Otherwise, we will not be able to do well. So I would like you to do well in your life. Thereby, I think continue to be our ambassadors. And I am and we are extremely proud of you, proud of your achievements and what you do in your life and what you do for XLRI. And once again, thank you for inviting me to join you this evening and arranging this program. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you very much. God bless.
Good evening, Father Christy. This is Sharad Sareen.
Hi, good evening to you. How are you?
Very fine.
It's nice to see you. I saw you. I saw you beginning before I joined. You were chatting with them. No, nice of you.
Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you, Father Christy.
My pleasure.
Next, we would like to request our very own dear Professor Debashish Pradhan, the Associate Dean for the GM programs, to address our alumni. Professor Debashish, over to you.
Yeah. Good evening, all of you. Respected Father Christy, Director of XLRI, Professor Sharad Sareen, who has been one of the pillars of XLRI for all these years, distinguished professors of XLRI who have joined today, and all the distinguished alumni of XLRI, the program we all know as GMP program. I'm delighted to welcome you all to this alumni meet, which is being arranged virtually. Conference 2020. It's a very special day for all of us because we are having the 4th in the series of alumni meets. And it's really wonderful to have all of you today, even if we had this pandemic all around, which has really constrained us, which has not allowed us to have this meet physically. However, we could arrange it. And I must thank all the students of the present batch. And I'm very happy to introduce you to the present batch of the program, Executive Postgraduate Diploma Program, formerly GMP, who have been extremely nimble and proactive in arranging this alumni meet. And in fact, in this batch, we're very happy to know that we have formed several committees which are devoted to different kinds of specialized activities, for example, in marketing or in finance or in operations or consulting. We have formed committees and they've been actively working on them, arranging conferences, arranging workshops. So I think we really are doing well. So you'll be very happy that the students this batch, who are really a set of bright young men and women, are doing really good. And all of us are really impressed to see the way they have been progressing and taking the batch forward. This is a very special day because all of you who have created these great institutions in a way, because it actually has a very rich legacy, and the legacy has been created by all of you. The way you have conducted yourself in all these years, which Father Christy just told us, that you all are brand ambassadors of this place, of the school. You all are very proud flag bearers of this school. And whatever you do, the way you conduct yourself, the way you sort of advance different ideas in a corporate world, or wherever, in whichever field you're working on, it actually reflects on the value and ethics that Accelerate stands for, and it has been delivering year after year. So really proud to have you all together this evening. And I'm sure all of you had very fond memories of the time, the very valuable year that you spent in Accelerate. Unfortunately, this year, because of the pandemic, we could not really have the sessions in a physical format. However, we have really inviting all the students gradually so that we can have sessions physically. And I'm sure with this meet, you would also relive your memories, the kind of associations you had with even inanimate objects, maybe a place like a dhaba or let's say a coffee shop, and you can actually relive that, even if you're not meeting physically, even if you're not really present here today, this evening on the campus. But I'm surely looking forward to welcoming you very soon to the campus and having you physically here when you can, in fact, go to the places, relive the memories, again, sort of associate yourself with those things that have been very close to your heart. And we're very happy to know that this year we have been trying for different kinds of global ranking systems. We have been participating in them. We have been, in fact, thinking about them. And this year we have proactively gone about participating in very reputed global rankings like QS Global Ranking, and we're thinking of other rankings as well, which will put the program in a different pedestal altogether. So I'm sure we'll be very successful in that, because the way we are advancing, the way we have really performed in the previous years, because we have already got two very international accreditations, AACSB and AMBA. We have been trying for the third one, which would give us triple crown, and we would perhaps have the reputation of being one of the first schools to have all the three accreditations that any global school can actually boast of, right? And you are all a part of it. I'm very happy to say that. And I need your help. I really request you to be a part of this family and handle this present batch, because they are really bright and they want to do whatever you actually advise them. So please help them in the process that they are really building themselves and advancing. And I welcome you again to this event, Conference 2020, and have a very good time. Enjoy, meet your juniors, your seniors, and your classmates. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you again for the opportunity.
Thank you, Devashish, sir. Now, friends,
Hello,
we would...
Devashish, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you, sir? Really happy to see you.
हम तो बहुत मजे में हैं. तुमने मूछें कब रखी?
Sir, पहले से था, sir.
पहले से था?
Yes, sir.
You look so fine and smart.
Thank you, sir.
चलो.
We will meet, sir. We'll meet, sir.
Thank you, Devashish, sir.
You're welcome.
Now, friends, we have a small video presentation. Rashika, could you share that?
Yes, I'll share my screen. Is my screen visible now, Pranit?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yes, now it's visible.
So the audio is supposed to be there.
I guess the audio has not been shared, Rashika.
Yeah, audio has to be, I think, activated. Yeah, just to be unmuted.
Could you just check the audio once, Rashika?
Yeah, I'm trying to check.
So while we wait for the audio issue to get resolved, I think,
We can share, Pranit. Just a
yeah,
moment.
sure.
Let me know if it's audible now. Can anybody hear now?
Not yet. No audio yet, Rishika.
Okay, I'm sorry for
Okay.
this.
I think no
Just
worries,
check.
no worries. Yeah, we'll move forward. So what we have lined up for all the alums this year is, we thought, since the event is going online, how can we make it different? And the way we thought of coming up with a new idea was that we thought that to break the ice, it would be good if we could have some fun quiz. So friends, we are very happy. We brainstormed and we came up with a wonderful idea to make some of our alums win goodies. So if we move on to the next event, we have an icebreaker event, and wherein we'll be having a quiz, and all the alums can participate in this quiz. Unfortunately, the professors are not allowed to participate because the quiz revolves around them, so they can't be privy to this quiz. But all the alums are eligible. The present batch as well is not eligible because they know the faculty pretty well. But the alums are the ones which we want to actively participate and win goodies that we have. So Rashika, could you kindly start with the quiz as well?
Yes. So everyone, I request you to log into menti.com. I'll just enter the URL so that you can hear it well, or you can enter it well. So I've entered in the chat box. Kindly please log into this URL. And enter the code 4850645.
Rashika, you could share your screen. I think
I
it
can
will show
share
there
my
as well. Yeah. Great. So request all the alums to participate in this event. It's a very fun event. You'll love it. So all of the alums are requested to log into www.menti.com. It'll ask for a code, and you can enter this code.
Put the code. Okay, now. Okay.
It's similar to, it'll remind all of the alums of the quizzes that we used to had in classes. We are still having OB quizzes on Menti. So I think to some of the alums, this doesn't have credit, so you can, yeah, we are already getting replies. So the first question was kind of an icebreaker where we wanted to know what you miss most about XLRI. So guys, feel free to pitch in whatever you miss the most, whatever you love the most at XLRI.
A lot of people seem to be missing Bishuda canteen.
True. And the campus itself as well. So a lot of replies which are revolving around the campus.
The food, the dhaba.
Yes. I think friends as well. So the bonhomie which people shared, I think it's also getting reflected. A lot of people miss their colleagues and want to re-experience that in the campus. So I think that's also important. True.
So we have 243 participants in call and only 90 people have responded so far.
So sleeping in class. I hope the
Yes,
faculty.
please, guys, put in your votes so we'll know what you miss about XLRI and what draws
People
you
miss
towards
it.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of our seniors miss the professors also, it seems.
I think Bishu is the common factor. Bishuda. So I think food and professors are
Crime
something, right? We see some classes as well. So people miss classes as well.
solved.
Sports, true. We have a lot of sports and batchmates. Late night chats is something we all relate to, and I think that's also
So we have a response
very
late night chai, which is also very interesting.
true.
The tranquility of the campus, no doubt about
Great.
that.
I think walks, parties.
Ethics
Yes. How
lecture.
can we miss parties? Campus parties. True.
Group assignments. Cycling, GMP blocks, sleepless nights. I think this is a part of.
This is wonderful, guys. I think this is what the essence of XLRI is. We miss so much of it, yet we feel connected to it after so many years. So this truly brings out what we cherish in our lives.
And I think this is also, Praneeth, this is something that we will experience now on because we've now come to the
True.
campus.
Very true. All right, I think we have sufficient replies. So I think now the people are getting the hang of the platform. So since this was an icebreaker question, so I think we can now proceed on to the really fun part, which is the quiz. So just before we start, I think it warrants that I explain what the quiz is going to be about. So I know we at Axel love our professors, and we have a quiz wherein we'll be showing some of the pictures of the professors which taught the students at campus. So what the alums would need to do is keep logged on to the site, and they would need to mark which professor's image is showing. And the ones who are able to guess the professor name fastest will be the winners of the quiz. So just to reiterate, professors' photos would be visible to you one by one. Some would be easy, some would be difficult. And the fastest fingers among the alums will be the one who will win some goodies. So guys, get ready. And I'll request Rashika to move on to the next slide.
Yes, Praneeth, before moving ahead, has everyone entered their name before they logged into menti.com?
Yes, true. So we would also request alums to log in with their correct name. Otherwise, the goodies might reach your friends. So if you don't want that, so it would be
then
very
you can
helpful.
close menti.com and possibly open it.
You could re-log in again, and please log in with your correct names. So that we'll be able to send you goodies to the winners. True.
And since it's a timed quiz, so you'll have to be very quick. The fastest person would win the goodies.
Absolutely.
So should I wait or should I move ahead?
Yeah, I think we'll give just 20 more seconds to any people who would like to log in.
Name, by the way.
Yes, sir.
There's no place to enter the name.
You'll have to close the tab again and then you'll have to enter again.
We tried that. I don't seem to see any place where you can put a name
Right.
against.
I think with the next slide, it should be there. So only when we
yes,
begin
sir.
the quiz. Yeah, only when we begin the quiz. So yeah, sure.
Once the quiz starts, just prior to the question, the option of entering your name will come. So we would request you to please enter your name as well as your batch, so that it
Correct.
makes it easier for us. That's
Great.
that's that.
So we are getting a lot of people getting ready for the quiz, and we really wish the alums all the best. And guys, quickly log in so that you don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity.
Only 75 people have been able to log in right now.
Right. And I see the numbers are increasing, so this is very encouraging. So guys, keep your focus. This is not having any credits. In fact, it'll grant you some credits, free credits. So just to reiterate one last time, the alums need to log into www.menti.com and use the code 4850645, and you'll be redirected to this quiz.
Please enter your name and followed by your batch. Class of 2011, 12, 13. So I can see 117 people logged in.
Great.
We
We'll
have
give
two
it just
people on the call.
last 10 seconds, 20 seconds, guys. Please.
If
log
you
in
have any
first.
problem, please call out to us. We will try and resolve your issue so that you're able to
Absolutely.
attempt the quiz. It's going to be a very fun quiz.
Can't enter the batch. I've been able to get my name.
You were able to enter your name, but not the batch, is it?
Yeah.
No worries, sir.
yes.
We'll take care.
Yeah. You can tell us your name. We'll take care.
It's Orko, AURQ.
So I think we are now able to get more participants.
Only 130 people. Yo, our dear seniors, please
Yes,
get up.
I see almost
Please
around
get up.
250 people. So I think this is going to be very interesting. So I would really encourage all of the alums to log in, and this is going to be fun, guys. We promise.
And the current batch is also not eligible to log in to this quiz or to win goodies, because we've been seeing the professors day in and day out.
What
guys,
the current batch can help with is they can type their answers in the chat. So maybe they can help out the alums. Right.
Yes.
So I think, Rashika, now we can start.
Go ahead.
Yeah,
All
sure.
right. Is anybody facing any issue, or we go ahead? All right, then we go ahead.
All right, guys, this is it.
This is
Please
the picture.
identify the professor.
And quickly mark your answer. You've got 30 seconds.
You have your options in front of you, guys. It's time to work on those gray cells and identify who do you think the professor is.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
He is Professor Sengupta, Sabyasachi Sengupta.
So you have to mark the answer to win the goodies. Only 3 seconds left. 2, 1, and time's up.
You have to select the correct answer in the app.
That question was a sitter.
Question
Yes,
was
but it's bound to get tougher. We can assure you it's bound to get tougher. So I think a lot of people got it right. So this is going to be tough. This is going to be tough. It's turning out really great, I think. Right.
Yes, so everyone guessed it right. This is Professor Sengupta.
Right. So we have the leaderboard after the first question.
So,
right. So these are the people.
Sinha has been the fastest.
I think there's a tie. There's a 3-way tie. So this is going to be really interesting.
379 points for Shantanu Sinha, Praneeth. 378 for Vivek.
Yeah, almost.
Absolutely. Almost, yes.
It's really close. I think the next question is.
The next question is going to decide. Pull up your socks. The next question is not going to be that easy.
It's not over, guys, until it's over. So let's move on to the next one. Yeah.
And also to everybody participating in the game, now when the next slide is shown, in case you're not able to see it on menti.com, you just have to click on go to the next slide. It will show you a notification saying that the presenter has changed the slide or something like that. And there will be an option which says go to the next slide. So you'll just have to click on that and you'll be able to see the next question in the quiz.
Anything. It's just saying loading result.
Okay, just give me a moment.
In my position is changing. I don't know how.
For me, it's not showing the second question. Yeah, so
The
same.
second
It's
we
not
did
showing the
see-
second question.
We did not see the second question.
Questions for me as well.
Not getting anything.
I guess we skipped question number 2.
Yes, I'm
Yeah, I
fine.
think there was a glitch.
Even I could not answer the second question.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
no
we're
one
checking
was
for the second
able
question.
to. Yeah.
Neither the third question, it directly says loading results.
Yeah.
There is an issue. There is an issue here.
Same here.
It's not
we'll be able to see.
All right, I'll share the screen again.
Anybody working in menti.com?
Probably the wrong game to play amongst such competitive people.
It's not a level playing field for you, if you guys know that, right?
Now I'm back to like, what do you miss most about Excel?
Orko, I to hate this ranking and marks.
अरे कुछ नहीं हो रहा. Loading result. And you did
It's
both
good that
things.
everybody sub same field पर है.
Yeah, it is telling me that you didn't vote.
I can smell the
Yes, sir, we are
competition,
checking.
guys.
We're
I
checking.
can smell the competition.
I think there is some problem with the second question.
Yeah.
Let's,
The third.
let's move to the third question.
You're just pouring blood in the sea. Okay.
Yeah, Rashika, you can share your screen.
Same.
Yeah. I'll share my screen. So the third question is there in front of you guys. Your time has already started. Please identify the professor. The faster you answer, the more the number of points that you get.
The seconds actually need to be reduced to 10. We're giving 30 seconds.
It's a lot more.
It's a fair playing field for all. So some get it fast,
Everyone-
some get it slow. So we don't want anyone to
Last
feel
1
left out.
second and the time is up.
Yeah. Some people did not answer the first question, so I think 30 is
We
reasonable.
need to know the 3 people who answered Basant Rajkumar sir.
I was typing the name.
Yeah, we need the name.
So
You
that's
can't give
a-
such long names. Huh? If somebody starts typing the name, it becomes very problematic in 30 seconds.
right. I think that's
Or
the
we can
beauty,
just type
that's-
surname.
That's the challenge. So
I think
So
the professor has lost a lot of weight. So it's his new picture or the old one?
I
So
believe
this is
it's
an
an
old
old
one.
one.
This is
it's an old one. Some professors
Yeah.
look timeless. So
So Vivek is leading the leaderboard now with
yes, I think the
19601.
rankings changed.
For guys who have
And it-
graduated way back in 2006, 2007, around 2007, this is like eliminate the ones which you know is not right. You're left with one or two.
I think competition is going to change. We have a lot of questions. So I think let's move on. Let's move on to the next one.
All right, so we'll move to the next question.
Get ready, guys.
The fourth question is about to come. And there you go.
So can you identify this professor?
The clock is ticking.
I think the smile is enough to give it away.
I think so, yes.
Yes, Tuch Workman.
Workman.
I think
Ayer.
we have got hints as well.
I think we had 100%
This-
attendance
this-
in this class.
This does bring back a lot of memories. I think people are recollecting the taglines of the professors which they used to speak.
Yes, we are already back in the classes.
Lal Salam.
We are already back in the classes.
We've got 100 people who've got it right.
हवा तेज है दिन कर रहा हूँ टोपी संभालो.
Yeah.
All
So,
right, that's a good
so
score.
with this,
So 100
I
people
think
got this.
I think let's look at the rankings now. I think they are bound to change now. Let's see.
More than a class, we felt that we were working in a textile mill when we were going through his class.
Professor Shantanu, if you're there on the call, the alum would like to hear from you.
True, sir.
So Vivek is still leading the leaderboard. Second, we have Abhishek with 2933.
I think we have one more question, the last question, and I think this is going to be really tough. So I think this is going to really run
Crush
the
your
races.
memory.
Yeah,
You'll
sure.
have to. you'll have to-
ये सब गैस मत दो यार प्लीज कुछ नहीं है
Okay. Let's look at the last question then.
All right, so we move to the last question.
Skip हो गया ये question भी.
problem as the second question.
I think the question just skipped.
And we know the answer now.
Yeah.
We didn't see the question at all.
Yeah, this is not fair. We are not seeing the questions also. That's why Vivek is at the
That's
top.
why Vivek is winning. Yeah.
Otherwise, we would have been.
I was not able to see
हिमांशु यही आंसर तुमने दिया था कि मेरे को रैंक कौन नहीं आया
Yes, Swastik.
There is some problem with Menti.com.
Yeah, I think we have.
नहीं, ये विवेक ने bug fix किया है.
It's online, so there are bound to be glitches. So
I think Menti.com has
but I
crashed.
think we have a winner. It's Vivek. So Vivek sir, if you can kindly turn on your video.
Vivek.
Yeah, and share some pizza coupons to all of us. Let's celebrate.
If you should just see you on screen.
I'll share Vivek's address. Don't worry.
No. You have to share our address to Vivek. It's other way around.
Our CR is best, yaar.
Yes, definitely.
जय हो CR हमारे विवेक भाई साहब.
So we have Vivek as the winner. Second, we have
Thank you.
Abhishek Gupta. And third, we have Rajat.
Do we have Abhishek?
It's all about
Gupta
good internet
with
speed.
us?
All with good internet speed, definitely.
And the third position is held with Mr. Rajat sir. Yeah. So congrats to Rajat sir as well as Abhishek Gupta sir. I think it was really close. I think between microseconds people got it right. So
Do we have only three prizes when we have these many participants?
So we will organize more quizzes then.
अरे टी-शर्ट भी तो भेज दें यार
Sir, I think this is what we
Firstly,
wanted, that active participation.
nicely done.
We didn't want it to be a
Nicely done.
one-way interaction. So this is what we actually thought of. And I think to some extent we were able to pull it off. So, and we would
no
like
guys
to
good job yaar good job
Not to some extent, you did it.
It was good, yeah. I mean,
Thank you, sir.
Very well. Very nicely.
Reminds me of the first semester and second
By the
semester,
way-
then third semester marks. So it adds up, and if you're not top, you will go down. Good to remind.
By the way, what was
Could you show the fifth question?
what was question number 2
Rashika,
and
could
question
you
number
just
5?
share that picture as well of the fifth part? So I think that was
Fifth and second as well.
Second and fifth, yeah.
sure.
I'm just
Oh,
trying to-
that's me.
एक ही बार.
We used to have this supply chain classes with cool cartoons, so we do miss Tasvi sir as well.
Is Rashika, you can go to, yeah. Great. If you just go to the next one, I think it will show that.
I think just now
Somehow it's
somebody
not.
was asking about TASV sir. So actually, we contacted all the faculty members. Unfortunately, TASV sir has he said that he has some weekend classes, so which is going on right now. But he said that if he once it would get done, he would definitely at least try to make it, even if it is for just a short bit. But he said that he would definitely come. So
He'll be
we're
a
hopeful that he
participant.
joins the call.
Pranit, do you want to try from your end? Since everyone wants to look at the picture.
Yeah, sure. So you can just click on identify the professor, the last slide, and then present it. I think that should make it work.
Yeah, I did try, but then this is the. All right, I'll try this again.
I think
Or
name
it's
is
okay, you
fine.
can just tell us. That's okay, not a problem. You can
Yeah,
just tell us who was it professor, and then that should be done.
Yeah, I think we'll share the pictures with the alums as well post the event. So
Yeah,
that
we'll
won't
try
be an
doing
issue.
that.
Right,
Even the video that we could not see, you might want to share after.
right, absolutely.
Yes,
we will.
definitely.
So thank you, Rashika. I think now we should move on to the next part of the event.
thank you to everyone who participated. You made it fun for us also.
Right. So now I think we can have the PlaceCom members address the meet as well. So we have Aman and Utkarsh who are part of the current PlaceCom who would like to speak a few words. So Aman and Utkarsh, the stage is yours.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, Utkarsh, you're audible.
Yes, you are.
Yeah. Thanks, Praneeth, for giving this opportunity. So, good evening, everyone, and welcome to Confluence 20, the 4th annual alumni meet of Accelerate. I am Utkarsh Nagar, Executive Member of Placement Committee representing the General Management Batch of 2021. It is indeed my great pleasure to welcome among us the alumni of this esteemed institution. Not only is it a moment of happiness and nostalgia for us, but also an opportunity to reflect on our learnings and achievements. Our alumni have established themselves as successful individuals in almost every field of their lives, and we as a batch could not be any prouder. The flagship GM program from Accelerate provides a rare chance in our adult life to stop for a while and focus on some of the issues in our career and business growth without any external disruption. This one-year program is an intense and challenging ride, but only in the most positive way. After graduation, and once you have joined the higher ranks of the corporate world, you may never again have the luxury of taking this break to explore various interesting theories of management education in depth. Besides shaping the character of the student, Accelerate helps us to face the world keeping in mind the ethics beyond the usual classroom learning. The learned professors and the students share an intimate and intricate bond of love and respect. Having our alumni back to where they belong, even though virtually, brings back a lot of memories and nostalgia. This meet gives us an opportunity to travel to the depths of memories and live the moments left behind. We shall dive into nostalgia and relive the best days of our lives. We shall relive in our minds, even though for a brief moment, the assignment deadlines, late night dhaba discussions, the impromptu classes, the journey, and everything that makes us reminisce the history our alumni has been a part of. While talking about the old days, I think most of us remember the innumerable times we almost missed assignment deadlines and felt overwhelmed. That 11:59:59 is something we still dread and would always cherish in hindsight. Weekends for us in this program meant to bleed more and toil even harder to accommodate them. Though some of us loved reading in solace, but most enjoyed a nice game of badminton or cricket with professors on the field. Nostalgia is a tricky business. It makes us laugh and cry at the same time. We yearn to go back to our MBA days, and we also feel very blessed to have experienced such wonderful feelings. The main intention of an alumni meet is to gather our old students and give them an evening of memories and nostalgia. Accelerate will always be our second home. All of you belong here, your hearts belong here, and home is where the heart is. Today, let us all open the windows of our mind, take a deep breath, and venture out into the lands of dreams and happiness we call Accelerate. Let us keep aside the worries and responsibilities of adult life and indulge in the evening you guys have been waiting for. This is our family, and we have every right to be here. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you to the latest batch of 2021, who in their brief tenure exhibited an exemplary display of sincerity with energy levels surpassing the standards in terms of proactiveness and dexterity. Indeed, the current batch is special, and the never-dying attitude and guidance from our alums as a collective unit would help us sail through the unpredictable circumstances of contemporary times. As they say, a smooth sea never made a skillful mariner. Therefore, it becomes incumbent on us to proactively utilize the digital resources to sharpen our skill set. With this, we are pleased to inform you that we have officially kickstarted the placement process for this year, with 40 students out of 85, those are eligible, already placed. This could not have been possible with alums helping us and having sessions for interview prep even late in the night. Our alumni has brought great glory to our institution. They have set the example of being a successful and good human being. They inspire us to have a clear conscience, the courage to speak the truth, and the importance of being authentic. I extend my warm regards to every member of our alumni. Wish us luck for the road ahead and all the best to everyone. Now, I'd like to call upon my fellow committee member, Aghori Aman Kumar, to take it further with some exciting news to share. Aman?
Thank you, Utkarsh. Thank you, Praneeth. Thank you, Rashika. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So I can use boys and girls for you, right? Now you are in college again. कोई बुरा तो नहीं मानेगा ना? If anyone.
मजा आ रहा भाई, बुरा क्यों मानेंगे? आगे बढ़ो. Our children or child, right, keep reminding us of our ages. So if we are called boys and girls, I mean, awesome.
So yeah.
नेकी और पूछ पूछ बड़े चलो.
सर यही चीज चाहिए थी मुझे कि कनेक्ट करना था मुझे. So the thing is that the PlaceCom has already placed everything in front of you. Now why am I here? Any idea? Any idea? One more member from the PlaceCom. Why is he here? Any guesses? Any idea? I'm not able to hear you, sir.
अरे क्विज हो गए दोस्त, बताए चलो.
Okay, so
और सर बुलाना बंद करो दोस्त.
विपुल कहाँ है?
अरे आ रहा है. So I'm here to discuss about the idea which we got 2 to 3 months back when we started with this program, and we worked on that idea, and we have created this to present our batch to our alums and to our recruiters. But we got this opportunity of this alum meet, and we want to launch this thing before our people first, going to other people afterwards. So I'll be presenting my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yep.
So this is the microsite we have designed for our GMP batch. So in this, we have everything related to GMP batch, the present GMP batch, and the whole program is designed for what and how we can grow into this program. So first we will have this home page where we have placed some information about this program, then about PGDM batch. Then we have this batch overview, where we have this pie charts, where you can go to these pie charts and you can get people who are from that industry, or who are from that functional area, or who are from that work experience. Then going forward, we have placement overview of the last year, all these stats mentioned here of all the placement happened last year. Then after, we have this batch profile. So every member of our batch is listed here. We can filter on the basis of gender, years of experience, where has he traveled to on-site or not, any functional area, industries. So likewise, if I can filter people on the basis of the agenda, then we can get these people. And if I can show you one of the profile, like Amir Khan. So here we have everything listed about Amir Khan, the work he has done, the achievements, the certifications, and also a video resume kind of thing, which we have planned for him, or planned for the batch, and which is shared by the batch on this platform. Other than that, we also have this contact us, where people can contact the PlaceCom over their phone numbers through this page. This is all I have for you. You will get this link in the chat box by Utkarsh, and also you will get the mails, and we would like to hear feedback from you all, that how can we improve on this part. Everything and anything is welcome from your side. Thank you very much. Over to Alumcom again.
Thank you, man. Thank you, Utkarsh. And I think this is a very good initiative that the batch has undertaken. I think it really provides a bird's eye view of all the candidates which are available in the current batch. And I think it'll really help the recruiting process as well. So I think this is a really good initiative. And the wonderful part about it is, as Aman mentioned, in addition to the profiles, we also have a video resume option. So I think, and the microsite is live as well. So The link has already been shared in the chat. Feel free, guys, to check it out as we go along. And I would again like to thank Aman and Utkarsh for their inputs. Right. So moving on, guys, we've heard a lot from the current batch, and I think we also would like to hear from our alums as well. So we have amongst us Mr. Amit Agarwal, who is from the GM class of 2001. And he plans to make us nostalgic by taking us down his memory lane. So Amit sir, if you are able to hear us, we would like to hear a few words from you as well.
Hi, good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Good evening.
Yeah, hi. Good evening, everyone. Currently, I'm in Chennai and enjoying very good weather. I hope everyone in Northern Hemisphere or India particularly enjoying winters. Very pleasant time. Good evening, Father Christie. It was also very pleasant to see Professor Sareen after long. Good evening, Professor Sareen. All faculty members and XLRI friends. So I recall when quiz was going on, Sanjay Tiwari, I saw wrote on chat box. He is my batchmate and he told that in 2000, most of the professors were not there. We could not figure out those professors. So I come from that batch, which is around 2 decades old. And 2000 was a magic number. We entered into new millennium, and 2020 now is no less a figure with pandemics and all history being created in this year, very memorable or not so memorable. India has scored their lowest total today in Adelaide, making 2020 further into history books. So in 20 years, I was just wondering how were we, things have changed so much that it took me a while when Tushar asked that if you can draw some contrast. There were no mobiles and we used to get printouts. I still recall the case studies shared by Professor Sareen and other faculty members. We used to study those printouts and all. We used to come to computer center to do our research. So there were no kind of Wi-Fi and own laptops. So also give some more insights. We were batch of around 30 and all had come from Tata Group. All companies were from Tata Group. And I think initial few batches were supported by Tata Group to get momentum to GMP program when originally it was conceptualized. So we all joined back. There was no concept of placement. We all joined back our companies. I believe there would be many from Tata Steel. I work with Tata Steel who are currently part of this event. So I'm sure this program or any program, including GMP and others in XLRI, because of quality of education and personality development which we get there, brings an orbit shift in our personality, career, life as well. Same with us. I am working in steel company for automotive customers in B2B space. And any one of you who's keen to connect on any of this space, we service all automotive customers, you name it, Hyundai, Toyotas, Ford, and in country in India, we are leading suppliers. Feel free to connect for your professional needs or in general. Any chat is welcome. I am available. Thank you. Thank you very much. Nice to connect with you all. Wish you very best.
Thank you so much, Amit sir. That was really, really interesting to know. We would now request Vikas Bansal from the class of 2005 to add a few words to Amit sir.
Hello, everybody. Well, after a long time, I think I missed the last 3 GMLM meets. Fortunately, thanks to Corona, we are virtually together and I'm able to join this. And first of all, we'd like to just say good evening to all of you, Dairo sir, faculty members, fellow alums, and the current GMP batch. So, well, Amit had already made us all a bit nostalgic. And coming back to my batch was a bit different in a way that Excel has decided that this GM course, which was for TCS, for Tata Group, has to be open. So we were the first batch where open candidates were allowed. And as we all know, Excel is good at ethics, the best at ethics, in fact. We were told in the interview that we are not being provided the placement. So think for a while that you're going to join an MBA course where you don't expect a placement from the college. Okay, fine. And those were the days I remember. I recall 1 year MBA was something which was not, very known to people. In fact, in my family, when I talk to people, they said, "What is this 1 year MBA?" But sometimes you take decisions in your life, and you have a vision, what you have to do. So I had some 2 year MBA options also where I got selected. But I realized that this is going to save my 1 year primarily. And having a fair experience of 3 years, I decided to join XLY, 1 year MBA. And today, the kind of rigor, the kind of time management, the kind of exposure I was able to get in that 1 year MBA just made me a Tubman primarily. Along with that, I was able to enjoy the Excel culture, the work and the personal life management, the concept of work hard, party harder. All these things help us to excel in our life ahead. I started my journey as an entrepreneur. I have been working with several domains. I'm into F&B, IT, I'm into this education. All this I believe strongly, all this has only been immensely possible with the help of whatever I have achieved from XLY. Next to it is, I suggest that we all shall interact more and more. The often we interact, we can help each other. We have got a lot of WhatsApp group, but I see that those groups are pretty not so active. I believe that in life, we all need a lot of mentors. So whether I'm in job, whether I'm in business, we all need mentors. And it is a small push we need. So once we start approaching our fellow alums, I hope so. I interacted with a lot of alums in yesteryears, and I got a lot of support. So I request to all of you that we all shall try to interact at City Rail, and maybe we have to make groups like we have a Excel Entrepreneurs group where a lot of Excelers who are entrepreneurs are there, and we interact. We take a lot of help from each other. So these kind of small clubs, groups we can make on WhatsApp and can help each other and can grow better. I'm highly thankful to all of you, the Grandbatch team, to organize such an interesting event. I really enjoyed those questions, whatever you had been just playing around. Thank you once again. Thank you very much to all of you. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Vikas, sir. Thank you so much for taking out your time and joining this program, joining Confluence 2020. We also have Vivek Srinivasan from the class of 2013. He's been helping the batch very actively on and off, mentoring the students from the current batch. I would request him to put in a few words. Vivek, over to you.
Hey, thanks, Rasika. Yeah, hi. Thanks, Rasika. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to all the professors. It feels so good to be part of this event. Firstly, kudos to the current batch to pull something like this. I know you guys have been having a lot of challenges in the last few months, and coming out of that and bringing all of us together, it's a fantastic job. Congratulations. I'll just spend 30 seconds. From 2013, we were the first batch where the AICTE approval came in, and technically the batch timing kind of shifted from 11 months to so-called 15 months. That credit to a large extent goes to our previous batch, 2012, where they took all the efforts with the professors, admin, and made sure that the process was well executed and we got this approval. I think that helped a little bit on the branding part and getting the course recognized, because those times, as we all acknowledge, we had some challenges there. Our batch was one of, for me, it was an amazing time to spend with a lot of colleagues who have come in from a lot of different industries. And most of us had spent about good 6 to 8 years in the industry, and we're trying to, shift or kind of better our career prospects. And I think most of us batch, if I look back the last 7 years, most of us, when we reached out again recently to our batch, have done really, really well. It's a combination of their hard work and the background they came in, plus the opportunity and the learnings that we got from XLRI. That's about what I wanted to share. It feels so good to be part of this event, and that the fact that I won the quiz makes it more wonderful. As I said, really happy to be here. Again, congratulations to the batch to pull something like this. Hopefully next year we'll be live in person, and things would have eventually improved, and hopefully we'll have a much better time. All the best to the current batch. Placements is just part of it. I hope all of you go through more of a learning experience and build yourself as a better character, because definitely it's going to be tested when you come out. That's more important. Getting a job might take a month or two more, but eventually you'll get there. Getting the right job is more important. So that's from me. Thank you again, and so feel so good to be part of this event.
Thank you so much, Vivek. Thanks a
Thank you,
ton for
Vivek, sir.
sharing.
I think all the three alums have shared really valuable inputs and their experience. I think it's wonderful to hear. Just to reiterate to everyone, I would like to tell them about the microsite. The details are xlrigm.in, and it's live, so all can feel free to check it out. I think the batch has done a wonderful job, and I think this really would help the batch as well as the GM program in general. So I would urge on behalf of the batch to all the alums to check this out as well. So I know, guys, we all are waiting for Vipul, and just a few moments from now, he would be performing live for all of us. But just before we jump onto that, I think we have a bit more of it, a bit more stuff. So I think Rashika has a PPT or a video to share. I think, Rashika, you can go ahead with that.
Thank you, Praneet. So yes, the video which got stuck and we could not hear the voice. I'm trying to share the screen again, and hopefully it should be audible to everyone.
My impression is that this is the first program of its kind in India. It was started as an initiative of Tata Steel, where I used to be employed in those days. Tata Steel's reason for starting this program was they found their graduate trainees moving away after 2-3 years of working because they wanted to get higher degrees from business schools in India or abroad. So we negotiated with XLRI in those days and worked out a 1-year program exclusively for the brightest youngsters of Tata Steel. Then it was felt this is too good a program to keep it confined to only one company. There might be a wider market in the country. So it became an open program, and we invited applications from companies around the country. And this program has gone from strength to strength since then. And other business schools saw the success of this program and put in similar programs of their own.
Learning at XLRI is different from the way learning happens elsewhere. One reason is because of the use of cases. We use cases to relate academic concepts with industry application. Another thing we do is to extensively use numerical examples. Numbers are used to help students think in practical terms.
The one-year MBA is slowly but surely becoming increasingly popular. XLRI, being one of the oldest and premier B schools in the country, is one such school that offers the program better known as the General Management Program. Students joining this program typically are experienced professionals who have held leadership positions in their respective companies. So while gaining management knowledge is the prime objective, this one-year MBA gives us that quick essential push in our careers, making it totally apt for us. So not only does it offer a very high return on investment, it also takes away the commitment of spending 2 years, which is not feasible for most of us. As the saying goes, the proof is in the pudding. Our XLRI GM alumni are currently market leaders in different domains of the industry.
Doing an MBA had always been an aspiration and goal for me. As soon as I started working after my engineering, I had a rather fast-paced career that involved frequent traveling. I could not firmly determine if the time was right to take a break from it all and go for my MBA. So in the last few years, as the scope of my managerial responsibilities was expanding both in scope and depth, I began to realize that a formal management education would definitely add value. It would make me more effective and successful as a manager, as it would impact me a sound theoretical knowledge. I know it could have been a little earlier, but in any case, I'm glad that I decided to go for it after 19 years of a rich and fruitful professional experience in the IT industry. The XLRI GM program is one of the best suited programs for me in terms of relevance and exhaustive coverage, and I'm really pleased with my decision to be part of it.
With an experience of over 10 years in the industry across multiple domains, cultures, and geographies, I felt I'd had a ceiling in my career. I wanted to get into a role which would go beyond technical project management and create a direct impact for business. At Excel, I've had the opportunity to gather and grow my business acumen tremendously through the prestigious faculty and the extremely learned peers. Above all, the esteemed Excel brand has given me the platform to start my second innings in the career with a role in strategy consulting.
Good in academics, I was expected to toe the line and opt for engineering or medicine. However, my creative instincts prompted me to pursue a career in advertising. With 5 years of experience in digital marketing, where technology is transforming the industry so fast, I knew XLRI's one-year MBA program would be the appropriate next step as I look to expand my horizons. And the program has provided me with just that. It's the right launchpad which will give me a 360-degree exposure to multiple domains while molding me aptly to become a well-rounded manager ready to take on the industry.
The one-year general management program is extremely intensive, yet we ensure that we weave other memories into a one-year educational journey. We actively participate in all festivals organized at XLRI and also have 2 homegrown events, the Praram and Accelerate, through which we showcase our talents and, in fact, show our strengths in a better fashion.
Living in a city like Kolkata, I was always fascinated by the huge street markets there, and I realized that every city does not have access to them. It was that moment when I first cultivated the idea of street shopping across India, and I started my entrepreneurial journey. I strongly believe that GM program is going to help me gain skills which is required for an entrepreneur, and here I got opportunity to interact with a lot of working professionals. Courses such as entrepreneurship and new ventures are relevant to my aspirations, and they let me know what are the challenges which are faced by the entrepreneurs on daily basis and how we can overcome them.
The program has had transformational effects on our past students who are now leading corporates at a very senior management levels, and I'm very glad they are doing so. So I believe the general management program is one of the excellent programs which is provided for the working executives in this country.
Thank you, Rashika. And I think, yeah, we can start.
When we say that we are learning public speaking.
Thank you, Rashika. And I think now, guys, this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. But just before we switch to Vipul, I think we have one more sponsor PPT to show as well. So Rashika, could you go with that? And then we have Vipul live.
Yes, so we've been sponsored by SBI and we have a very short PPT to share. So SBI as such needs no introduction. So we do not have any videos to introduce you to SBI.
Yes, I think what's different here is the YONO app, which I think
they've come up
the
with
new
very
digital edition. As well as providing the loan opportunities, the student loans, the home loans. I think they've eased it a lot. So we would really like to thank them for sponsoring this event.
So if we process the loans through the YONO app, there are a lot of perks and benefits that we get. 100% waiver on the processing fee through YONO. And that's all that we have for SBI. Now, without much ado and without longer, we now have arrived at the most awaited and the most fun-filled part of the event. So guys, please put your hands.
और ऑनलाइन शादी में कैसे करते हो?
गूगल पे।
हाँ, गूगल पे। और लिफाफे पे लिख देता हूँ with best compliments from Pranit and family. यार आपको पता है इंडिया में बहुत गुस्सा है लोगों में, इंडिया में बहुत गुस्सा है। एक बार हम लोग एटीएम की लाइन में लगे हुए हैं, लंबी लाइन लगी हुई है, हर कोई अपनी टर्न का वेट कर रहा है एटीएम के बाहर। एक अंकल सीधा अंदर घुसे, मैंने हाथ दिया, अंकल किधर? मैं अंदर पैसे निकालने जा रहा हूँ। बोला अच्छा, तो हम क्या इधर वोट डालने के लिए खड़े हुए हैं समझ रहे? अंदर जाएंगे और प्रेस 1 फॉर बीजेपी, प्रेस 2 फॉर बीजेपी, प्रेस 3 फॉर बीजेपी। तो अंकल गुस्सा हो गया कि साले तूने हाथ किसको लगाया, अभी एक फोन करूंगा यहाँ पे ट्रक भर के लोग आ जाएंगे।
वो भी बीजेपी के थे।
अरे फिर भी आपको सब पता है।
जनता तो यही देखती है।
हाँ मुझे लग रहा है सुरभि हाफ पैंट में आरएसएस की है ये।
ये भी गुप्ता है ना।
हाँ सुरभि हम दोनों मिलके एक डुअल एक्ट भी कर लेंगे बाद में। तो माय पॉइंट इज यार, अंकल ने बोला ट्रक भर के लोग आएंगे, एक फोन करूंगा, और माय पॉइंट इज कि अगर आप एक फाइट में इतना बड़ा क्लेम कर दो राइट, और उसके बाद आप फोन करो, ट्रक वाला आपका फोन नहीं उठा रहा है। और सुरभि सेकेंडली ये कौन लोग हैं जो रोज सुबह नहा के ट्रक में खड़े हो रहे हैं?
निकले होंगे।
एक कभी भी कॉल आ सकता है, पहुंचना है। ये लोग कितने जॉबलेस है यार। ये लोग हाँ ये लोग टीसीएस क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन कर रहे?
ये बात लग गई।
यहाँ भी बेंच पे बैठे हैं, वहां भी बेंच पे बैठना है। और दोनों बेंच पे लिखा भी टाटा है। बट आप लोग को पता, हम लोग सबसे ज्यादा गुस्से में रहते थे जब ट्रैवलिंग करते थे एयरपोर्ट पे। यार आपने देखा एयरपोर्ट पे हमारे साथ कुछ भी नाइंसाफी हो जाए, वो जब एयरलाइंस के काउंटर पे जाके गुस्सा करते हैं, और आपने देखा हम इंडियंस ने हमारे गुस्से का भी फिक्स्ड पैटर्न है। हम लोग हिंदी में चिल्लाते हैं और उसी लाइन को इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट कर देते हैं। क्या चल रहा है इधर? व्हाट द हेल इज गोइंग ऑन?
on, and we have Professor Sabyachi Sengupta with us. Sir, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Hello, sir. The alums would like to hear a few words from you. So I think after this laugh riot, it would be very good to see you and hear your voice as well. So.
Okay. Right, a very good evening to all of you. Very novel experience. GMP alumni meet online, right? I mean, thanks to the existing GMP batch who made this possible, right? Unique idea, and I'm sure that they're doing it extremely well, right? I joined just a few minutes ago, right? I was enjoying whatever Vipul was saying, actually. Anyway, very nice meeting all of you. So what do I say? I mean, all of you, I guess, you know me some way or the other, right? So this GMP alumni get-together, actually we started about 3 years ago. All of you may be knowing. And the first one, we did it in Bangalore, then in New Delhi. Last year was in Mumbai. So this year, probably Professor Kanagaraj and XLRI admin was planning for some other cities. But as you know, the situation is so bad that they had to do it online. But anyway, it's a great effort that I must appreciate, definitely. And I'm glad to get this opportunity to talk to you. Only thing, what should I say? I feel very sad for the existing GMP batch because they are unable to come down to campus, right? The others, the other alumni, they actually understand what they're missing. And only one thing we can say definitely from the faculty side, that we are missing the students more than the students are missing the faculty. That is for sure. Now, the only thing is, I mean, for example, the BM, HRM students, they're also, I mean, they're definitely missing it, but more so for the GMP batch. I'm feeling particularly sad for them, simply because, as we all know, their program, I mean, your program basically, is a one-year program. And out of that one-year program, already a number of months had been lost, right? And I don't know how it would transpire later. And that is why I'm feeling particularly sad for the JMP batch. At least the BM and HRM students, I think maybe they would be in a position to come to the campus next academic year. I mean, at least we are hoping so. So why I'm giving this background is all of you, the JMP alum, please go all out and help the existing JMP batch in whatever way you can. That is the only request I want to put forward from my side, because as you understand that they are facing a very difficult situation. I'm not talking about anything else. Probably gradually the market would also show up, etc., etc. But in general, they're missing the campus. They had been selected into XLRI, but they're unable to come to campus. But nothing can be worse than that, isn't it? So all of you, it is your moral responsibility. Why should I say moral responsibility? It is basically your responsibility, I mean the alum, to come forward and help the existing batch in every way as you can, right? This is all I wanted to say, and I'm really glad to get an opportunity to talk to you. I can actually see quite a few familiar faces also, right? And so far the existing GMP batch is concerned, I can only tell them one thing, that I mean, their experience won't be nice simply because my course is going to start from the next semester. I guess from 23rd January, it is going to start, right? So that experience, as you all know, may not be a very nice experience, but anyway, can't be helped. So I saw a few students had opted for that particular elective course. So as it is, I would get an opportunity to talk to them. So that's it. All the best to all of you. I think now, yeah.
What is it?
Who is it?
on public demand, you have to do your cash flow lesson for all the alums with a few famous one-liners.
Yes, yes.
We all miss it, sir.
We've been eagerly
Absolutely.
waiting
Yes, sir.
I mean, I mean that comment. If I make it now, but it is on reserve for the existing batch, right? So I make it.
Yeah.
Right. So they should not actually know it in advance. But as it is, they would come to know about it from you. So that's
Sir, a teaser trailer for us.
So now I think hype is building up. We don't know what to expect.
I will quote Sabyasachi sir during our first session. He said, if you have an out of balance of 10 lakhs and don't know what to do, you pay the CA 1 lakh and make it 11 lakhs of out of balance.
Okay, very nice talking to you, right? Although it was not in person, but I think now it would be better if Professor Kanagaraj takes it up. I think next speech is his. Yes, Professor Kanagaraj?
The dearest one. Yeah, popular.
Thank you, Sabyasachi sir. It was so wonderful to have you here.
Yeah, same here. Thanks a lot.
So last but not the least, we have our most dear Professor Kanagaraj sir. Professor Kanagaraj has been the most crucial fulcrum of the current GM batch. He is the placement chairperson and he has put his heart and soul into the well-being of the current cohort of 2021. Professor sir, over to you.
Yeah, good evening, and it's very nice to meet you all on this virtual platform. And this year we mark our GM virtual alumni meet amidst difficult circumstances. The COVID-19 pandemic is still raging around the world, and I know this year has been very hard for everyone. The pandemic has disrupted business and jobs and created a lot of inconvenience. But as an esteemed alumnus of XLRI, you have been resilient and you have taken this in your stride. I especially grateful to our GM alumni committee and to all of you. I want to say a big thank you for attending this event. And as an alumni committee, you are aware that this pandemic has taken a heavy toll on the global economy. As you know, we have kept our academic going through online platforms, and slowly we have started handful of GM and other students communities to reach the campus after following the COVID-19 protocols. As an XLR GM alumni, your involvement is fundamental for us, and we are determined to see through this crisis. Our GM alumni has always flown XLRI's flag high all over the world and made us very proud. We are aware that some industries will be disrupted permanently. Companies will have to change their business model to survive. Your support and guidance are the need of the heart to reskill our students and to identify jobs in new sectors. There will be new opportunities and new jobs created as well. For instance, we have learned to telecommute and work with others virtually. Our students are getting used to online learning. More people are using online platforms and making e-payments. We will not go back to status quo after the pandemic ends, and that will mean more opportunities. And we are looking for industries like medical services, biotech, food production, supply chain, and delivery IT services are also going to grow. And even today, many of these firms are seeing stronger demand and hiring more human resources. Help our students to build capabilities in some of these new and growing sectors through constant mentoring. And this demands close cooperation between the GM alumni community and our student. We request your support to adapt to this new operating environment and groom our students for the new jobs available in the market. As an established alumni community, please help us to identify future skills programs to enable our students to community to learn and lead in front of the corporate sectors. Most importantly, with the support of yours, we have always acquired what it takes to succeed. We are bound by the ties of loyalty and trust, and I'm sure that we are not a community who will shrink from struggle As an alumni community, you have showed your grit and mettle in tough times. Stay safe and have a happy holiday season, and hope to look forward for one more alumni meet maybe in the next year. Thank you so much, and it's all our pleasure having you all on this virtual platform. Have a nice evening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much,
Thank
sir.
you, Kanagraj, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
And guys, as we
Thank
enter
you
the
so-
last leg of this event, we have a lot of alums requesting us to talk. So we would like to call upon Mr. Kumar Guru, who is an alum from the 2005 batch, GMP batch. Currently, he's working as the Director PR at ISB Hyderabad, and he has been awarded the Distinguished Alumni Award. So we feel very proud. And sir, if you could share a few words with us, it would be great.
Hi guys, thank you very much. Puneet, right? So thank you. Praneeth, sorry. It just shows that I'm on the other side of 40 and I can't see things clearly on the phone.
No
But
worries,
anyways,
sir.
I just wanted to clarify, this is, I wasn't very keen to speak, not because I don't want to speak. I'd love to speak with all of you guys, but it's when a classmate of yours forces you to speak and summons you from whatever you're doing to sort of log in because he orders me to speak, I will do that. And I think that in some sense is the essence of the Excel effect on our lives, right? So Vikas Bansal just called me and said, I don't care what you're doing, but you have to speak on behalf of our batch. So that's why I'm here. But I did attend part of your, the stand-up part that was happening a few minutes ago. First of all, I want to congratulate the committee for organizing this session wonderfully on a virtual platform. I did hear some of your faculty speak as well. It's great to be this thing. This is a very unusual year. I don't have to say that in any, sort of repeat what is obvious, but I think this is also a year that will, I can tell you 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you guys will be grateful for the relationships that you have formed this year at Excel doing the GMP course. We were the first batch. When we came in, we were called the pioneer batch, but believe me, pioneers didn't mean that everything was offered on a platter. We didn't have placements, we didn't have anything. In fact, people didn't even know who we were on campus. They thought ki pata nahi kaun hai ye log hai, matlab aise bhatak rahe idhar udhar. So from that stage in 2004-5 to now, I think the program has come a long way. I think you guys have chosen Excel, you guys have chosen GMP. As someone who works in another business school in India, and I've been there ever since I graduated from Excel, I can tell you that the pride and the the affinity with the Excel brand that each one of us are proudly sort of have will carry us a long way. I want to wish you all very best. And if there's anything that any of us, I personally or any of our classmates can do, a bunch of our classmates are CEOs in companies at this point of time. So I would sort of encourage you all to tap into the classes individually as opposed to a group alumni thing. The class of 2005 will be very happy to support and help you guys in any which way possible. Wish you all the very best. Thank you again very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for coming up here and staying throughout the event. And thank you for extending your help again. So as we wind up, it gives us immense pleasure to present to you Confluence 2020, which was sponsored by SBI. It was an incredible reunion of all alumni, students, faculty, and staff members. We hope it was as good as for you as it was for us. We would like to thank Director Sir and the management of XLRI for giving us an opportunity to host the event. We would also like to thank the deans, the head of departments, and the senior faculties for their continuous guidance and support. We would also like to thank all the staff members for making it such an unforgettable experience. Thank you again. We are very, very grateful to you.
Thank you everyone for joining in as well, the alums, the current batch, as well as the professors. Thank you so much. And I think with this, we can wrap up the event. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Thank you guys. And it was a good show.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much and congratulations once again to the current batch.
Thanks a ton, Vivek.
Thank you, guys. It was really
Thanks,
nice.
everyone.
Thank you,
All the
everyone.
best.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye.
It was a great
Thank
event.
you. Goodbye. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Have a good night.